Ever stared up at the moon, that constant companion in our night sky, and wondered just how dependable it really is? We rely on it for so much, from the gentle pull of the tides to inspiring countless myths and legends. But is that silvery orb truly a steadfast presence, or is there more to its story than meets the eye? Think about it. The moon graces our skies with its phases, a predictable dance from new moon's invisibility to the full moon's radiant glow. We set our calendars by it, ancient mariners navigated by it, and even today, its influence on Earth is undeniable. But have you ever stopped to consider if this celestial clockwork is truly infallible? Let's delve a little deeper. The moon's gravitational pull is the maestro behind our ocean tides. Twice a day, coastlines around the world experience the ebb and flow, a rhythm essential for marine ecosystems and even human activities. This gravitational tug is constant, a reliable force that has shaped our planet for billions of years. So, in this fundamental way, the moon's influence is as dependable as gravity itself. But what about other aspects? The moon's orbit around the Earth isn't perfectly circular, it's slightly elliptical. This means its distance from us varies, leading to subtle shifts in the strength of its gravitational pull and the apparent size of the moon in our sky. While these changes are predictable and follow a well-defined path, they remind us that even this seemingly constant presence has its nuances. Consider also the phenomenon of lunar eclipses. These dramatic events, where the Earth casts its shadow upon the moon, serve as a powerful reminder that the moon's visibility isn't always guaranteed. While they are predictable and occur according to celestial mechanics, they highlight the dynamic interplay within our Earth-Moon-Sun system. The moon, in these moments, is temporarily obscured, a stark contrast to its usual luminous presence. And what about the moon itself? It's not a static, unchanging sphere. It experiences moonquakes, the lunar equivalent of earthquakes, although generally much weaker. It's bombarded by meteoroids, leaving behind a scarred surface that tells a story of cosmic impacts over eons. These events, while not directly impacting its reliability in terms of its orbit or gravitational pull, paint a picture of a celestial body that is far from inert. Furthermore, our perception of the moon's reliability can be influenced by factors here on Earth. Cloud cover can hide it from view, light pollution can dim its brilliance, and even our own busy lives can sometimes make us forget to look up and appreciate its presence. These earthly interferences don't change the moon itself, but they can certainly affect our ability to rely on seeing it. So, is the moon reliable? In the grand scheme of things, yes. Its orbit is stable, its gravitational pull consistent, and its phases predictable. It has been a constant companion to our planet for eons and will continue to be for billions more. However, its reliability isn't about being an unchanging, static object. It's about a predictable dynamism, an intricate dance governed by the laws of physics. There are subtle variations, occasional obscurations, and ongoing geological activity, all part of its natural existence. Our reliance on the moon, whether for scientific observation, cultural inspiration, or simply the beauty of its light, is generally well placed. It's a dependable celestial body, a cornerstone of our planet's environment and a source of wonder for humanity. While it's not immune to the occasional cosmic hiccup or earthly interference, its fundamental reliability remains a constant in our ever-changing universe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.